And we're back with a new video about the keys to the home. Yay, congratulations, Queen and Clarence. They got their new house. And
we just woke up. Today is the day after Valentine's Day, and we didn't film that, but we had a really good time.
Yes, we did.
You want to tell them what we did, babe?
We went out to eat. We had reservations at Noble.
For the first time, everything was 10 out of 10, y'all.
Look cute. I like that outfit.
The first time we both ate at Noble, and it was really good. We enjoyed it. They treated us with love and shit.
We made it connect.
Yeah. Cause it's really a hard restaurant to get into. So, and then what did we do after?
Oh, we went back to the house to get our things.
Oh, to get some clothes and stuff, and then we came back out and checked into a hotel and just had fun.
The hotel we're in is really nice. One thing I really miss about being downtown or in an apartment that we was in, like when you can just wake up and see like the city, like the views. I love that. I think it's just so, it feels so like young, and I don't know, it just feels dope. Even though it's raining, like it still looks nice out there. So we'll show you in a minute. But today we have something very special that we're doing. We're actually closing on our home. So today is
congratulations, y'all.
Really, really special. It's a celebration. We chose this day because it would have been yesterday and it would have been on Valentine's Day, which is cool, but to like close Valentine's Day with this is super dope.
It's kind of still Valentine's, like it's still, I know people still in the spirit, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I know we are. Closed today. We send the money over today, and we also get the keys today.
Yeah, we get the keys to the house. I'm so excited.
So today is not moving day. Just closing day. Get the keys. You know, that's
a huge deal.
It's just official. It makes it official today. We're homeowners.
We came a long way, man. I remember people kept saying, just buy a house, or build a house. We had to do it on our timing, though. I really thank God so much, because
for real, bro.
Amen.
We're blessed, you know? And yeah, I got a cute little outfit I'm wearing today. Clarence, we're going to get a little bit dressed up. I mean, he always getting, it don't matter what occasion, he always getting flea. So that's but I'm going to wear me a little, you know, little skirt or whatever. I'll show y'all my outfit soon.
We need to get in the shower.
Yeah, we about to go get ready right now, y'all.
So I'm about to show y'all the room because we got to go. We're always late, bro. Show y'all the room real quick before we dip. As soon as you walk in, you got like this mirror. We found this out yesterday. It's like mirrors, right, on both sides. But like if you look closely, it's like a hidden door right here. So this is the bathroom. And then dining table. There goes Queen. She's rushing. So
I'm rushing, y'all, like a mighty wind.
This is like a little living room area right here. Back here is nothing. Let me step back here so you can see it. You feel me? This is the views. This hotel is downtown, so you get the views of the city. And then let me take you.
Ooh, our room.
I like the outfit, Queen. That's cute. That's a nice skirt.
To the room. It's probably gonna be a mess, but it's alright. Y'all know the vibes. There's more. Get to have the views. Bed right there. Workstation, work desk. Closet. Long ass mirror in the bathroom. 2 sinks. Shower. Just seems like I'm rushing this because I am. This shit was dope. We enjoyed ourselves. Ready?
Yes. Y'all, it's literally 2 minutes from the closing, and I didn't have time to apply my lashes. But it's okay, because they probably would have been crooked anyway. This is my outfit. I know y'all can't fully see it, but I'm wearing my...
I like it, with the boots.
Givenchy boots with a sweater and a skirt from Fashion Nova. No, this is not sponsored, but they're going to give me some money. Oh, shoot. The realtor's calling. We got to go. We are late, y'all, but better late than never. Look at that. That's such a nice outfit. I really like that. He was about to go to the hotel last night in this, just to go to the hotel. Like, talking about, oh, I was just going calm. This is not calm at all.
It is calm.
No, it's not.
Doing it.
Wait, you bring your gun into the clothing? Babe, you crazy.
You know,
Hi.
I like this.
Oh, let him. Okay, so he can do it. Don't worry. Did we ever say we were gonna do annual or just put it monthly? The taxes.
So the county only accepts once a year payments.
Okay, so that's annual.
So once they come out, you'll get the tax bill. First, you'll get an assessment around June or July, and it says what the value of it is of the home based off the prior year's percentage rate that they base it off of, the millage rate. And then right around August is when they'll release the actual tax bill.
Okay.
And then
Say tomorrow you say, I would like to get a mortgage. So you get an 80% mortgage, and then you
go pay the lender.
You can basically take the 80% of the cash out of the house, and you'll just have a mortgage, and then they'll escrow your taxes and insurance for you.
Okay.
There you go.
thank you. And then guess what? It's official.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's the top of the box of that operating agreement, and I'm gonna go make you some copies, but y'all have some celebrating to do.
Yeah, we sure will.
Thank you.
I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
It's a huge milestone. I'm so glad they shared it with us.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic house.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Super dope. Thank you.
Appreciate you for everything, lady.
Yeah.
No, I'm
Glad I was
Are you
there.
excited?
Thank you.
Yeah.
A real hug now.
Yeah, that was so fun. I'll be right back.
This is my excited face.
Yeah. Right. I'm just vlogging now. Hold on, wait. Wait, it's not working. Also, we just signed off on a house. We got other footage, and these are the people that we worked with. Say hi, Layla. Say hello. Yeah. And yeah, y'all, it's official. We work with Christian. So what's up? He got his suit and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I feel like he's the evil twin, and he looks like the nice twin. It's so funny. But because they look like, because he just looks like, he looks like a good guy. He looks like a bad guy.
Great guy. Thank you.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
But we're about to go celebrate. We need to eat some food because we had candy for breakfast. So yeah. But it's official, y'all. Is the lighting good though? Oh. Is it?
It's alright.
No, we need good lighting.
Yeah, she's gonna be real picky, man.
I think right here is better. Let's move these chairs. I don't play about my pictures. Oh, I'm holding my breath.
Why are you holding your breath?
I don't know. I always do that. I can't help it. Like every time I take pictures, my breath holding it.
Until the deed's recorded with the county, which takes about 2 weeks.
Okay, cool.
So, but for now, this is your, hey, look, it happened.
Okay.
And then y'all reach out, like if you want to do a cash out refi or any questions y'all have, if you get something in the mail that you're not sure if it's legit or not, you just let me know.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Is that a skateboard? That's dope. What the heck?
Fire. Oh, this is dope right here. And then this is for Queen.
See, Christian know his clients now. Come on.
Wait, what the heck? Why is your hand shaking? Oh my God. Wait,
All this for Queen. Y'all can open it, y'all stuff.
Like that.
Oh, is this a record player?
Yeah.
That's dope.
And then we got this too.
That's dope. I'm gonna definitely have to get my vinyls now. Dope. It's gonna have the little scratchy sound. I like that.
No, I don't think so. Not like that.
It won't.
Not a DJ.
No. I'm talking about the. No, you know, like the vinyl is. It's like a.
Yes, Queen, it will. It's a different sound. I'm with you, sis. It's a pure kind of sound to me. You know, it's not as clear as your digital noise, but you know, your feedback or whatever that you get when reverb, whatever they call it. But it's, you know, the vinyl's that's what I know. That's what I grew up with.
It's like a little scratch sound, like with the vinyl. It's different from the CDs and stuff.
Yeah. It's just.
I'm playing old school music on purpose. Oh, this is cute. The pillow.
Now you need to set.
Right, it's comfy. Thank you. This is going on the couch. I'm sorry. It's cute. This is gonna go on the couch. Super cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Comfy.
Y'all, I appreciate y'all for real. I really do appreciate y'all working with me.
Aw, fire to skate.
If y'all in the area, he seems nice, and I like how they giving him his ups.
Are you gonna write it? Just kidding. I know you're gonna just put it up.
Yeah, put on the wall. It's going right on the wall. So yeah, we could take pictures, but like in the lobby, probably better, right?
Oh wait, hold on. Wait, I should record this on the vlog. No?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, recording. Let's take a picture.
I just gotta get the royalty contract.
Wait, are you serious?
No.
Oh, okay. I don't be knowing when people like. Okay. So y'all, Christian got us some home buyer gifts.
Too.
Clarify the plants. What happened, bro?
And look, y'all, he got me my first Hermes pillow. Cause God knows, huh?
It's her first one, for sure.
Yeah, my first one.
She got the blanket. Yeah, I seen you.
I don't have no Hermes
No, you don't have a blanket. She got a
I
Louis
have
Vuitton blanket.
which he got. And I wasn't buying me no pillow for that much, so thank you. Thank you, it's super cute.
So how much it cost to do?
And we got a record player, y'all, so y'all know I gotta get my vinyls. And he bought me some vinyls to go with it too.
Get my skateboard.
Oh yeah, Clarence has a Celine. I just skip right over this.
Yeah, like
he has
I
a
just
Celine.
seen that.
Clarence
Right, see, I like Christian. I mean, you got Michael Jackson. There we go, bruh.
is not gonna skateboard, but he's gonna hang it up.
Yeah.
Cause you know he
It's
like
not about
a
my game room.
hype beast type of dude.
It's not even
Yeah,
hype
dude.
beast. This
What?
is like
I don't know. That's what I call it when people have all the figurines and
she always follow me a hype beast. We on the crib.
dap it up, dope. What up, dope? Wait, did you just really like?
Yeah.
How'd you just do it? Like, how did you know how to use drug dealing? Just kidding.
You know,
I can get all fat and sassy. Where's my phone? Oh, my phone's right here.
Somebody else. But I shot that same brand that you. Where are you taking that? I'm gonna tell the same like.
I'm supposed to be on a diet. He got me over here. Yeah. You better smile. And should smile wider. Clarence. You be having that little hood smile, like. Oh, you did smile wide. Thanks, Clarence. I just want to do the cool stuff.
That's the one I proposed.
Right? Oh. Do one of those prom pictures.
Mom and Dad. Just be setting me up for something like when she got pregnant and we had the photo shoot, bro. She had me in this like ground backdrop, bro. It looked like I belong on
And his feet was out.
in a big beanie, bro. And that was like the worst photo shoot.
No, it wasn't. It was
Where y'all
very
was at?
wholesome photo shoot.
Next
He just
day,
don't like looking, you know,
it was shot by Seth.
too good.
I went to a studio? Yeah, he had
That's so sweet.
little Irish last night.
Seen him.
You said you like editing? Yeah.
So
Facts. I'll never hear that.
we
Never heard
hate
that in my life.
we hate editing. Like
I wouldn't edit for y'all, but
I know, but I'm just,
you know what it is?
you would want to.
It's
Trust me.
probably a lot different editing like
YouTube
a small,
versus
like Instagram clip than like a YouTube.
YouTube
video.
is crazy. I can't stand it,
It takes hours.
but I have to do it because
You gotta have like you gotta have a big computer.
How often y'all be uploading?
he used to do like almost every day when we first
When
started.
we first started, it was every day though. Every day? I'm talking about we do a video, sit down wherever we're at. It don't matter, Starbucks, wherever, edit, upload that shit.
Is that what kind of tweaks the algorithm?
Huh?
You gotta like basically get ahead
Yeah,
of the
we need to
algorithm.
get our algorithm
Yeah,
back.
algorithm, when you're more consistent, the algorithm more on your side. I'm feeling this fit, bro. I
Yeah,
appreciate that.
he was gonna.
I was gonna go all Louis Vuitton.
He was gonna wear
Which
no a
It's
dark
sweatsuit,
blue,
it's a sweatsuit.
a dark blue Louis Vuitton
With the print
sweatsuit.
all over it, it's like I got it.
But he was gonna wear this to the hotel just to go to the. I was like, wear this tomorrow.
That's what it's
don't you?
I don't
No,
really wear Gucci like that.
cause we match.
Yeah,
That's
I like
why. That's a real.
Yeah.
That's a real reason why. So we can match.
Are we like what are we doing with the lease?
I told him. I told Jeff.
Oh, I guess Jeff didn't
I
tell me.
said by February.
I just want to know, and he has to eat breakfast and even eat. She always do that.
No, I'm just doing this because don't do that because you just had some candy too.
Can I take one of these? Yeah. I be seeing people only on the key and shit. You need to keep it.
Oh wait, no, don't do that. Do this one. So that's the camera, but I don't want them to know which floor we went to.
Why not?
Okay, well, I mean,
It don't matter. Nobody knows.
they can't call and be like,
They might just get harassed. You guys might get harassed.
so how's it going? What are we doing?
You hold the key. And then
I did the skateboard already, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
no.
you hold it.
So yeah, just need a gift setup. That's basically what this is. Just need a gift setup.
Oh, this is a gift set.
Oh, so we're not doing this.
I mean,
Hey, chill out.
You was grabbing mine. You was grabbing mine. Ready?
Hi man, Studious Clarence here. We finished signing all the papers and sent the money over and hold on. What's this? Okay. But I sent the money over and everything, so it's official.
It's official,
We're
y'all.
homeowners. Now we gotta head to the house so they could then forward transfer everything over to us. They need to show us how to work everything, use everything, remotes, give us the remotes, give us passwords to everything and shit. So we about to head over there and do that.
Hooray! We did it! Hooray!
What? It looks funny because you was blurry.
All right, guys. So we're finally in our house, and
See, that's a little cheerleader skirt she got on. She feel like cheering.
no, it's like home. You remember, baby? What is that movie called? Yeah, The Wizard of Oz. We're here, y'all. We're in our garage, and that's all y'all get. Are you happy? You happy?
Yeah.
On a scale from 1 to 10, how happy are you?
Like a 10?
Okay, good. So instead of McDonald's, we decided to come to Toast. We decided to come to Toast.
McDonald's. I was just trying to stop and get a little quick cheeseburger.
But if he would have got that, he wouldn't have ate anything else.
I was
So
coming to Toast. I never turned down Toast.
it's like one of our favorite places. They have the best, I want to say one of the best, like,
One of the best
brunches.
spots for
Yeah,
sure.
brunches for sure in
You
Atlanta.
up in the A, you know what I'm saying? You visited or whatever, you gotta come get Toast on Lennox.
Look at y'all. Oh my goodness. Food board. Look at all the food breads. We're going to double date.
Oh, you right. That is the first thing you do in your new home. And then keep praying, y'all. I love that. Y'all bow your heads. I'm watching.
Lord, we all glory, honor, and praise for waking us up this morning, Lord. We thank you for all the blessings you have blessed us with, God. We ask that you bless this house, Lord. Nobody's in this house with us. And we just ask that you fill this house with happiness and unity, Lord, and peace. And Lord God, we ask that you let us be productive. We ask that you let us make amazing memories in this home, Lord, and give us the wisdom and the knowledge that you want us to have to guide us for our future, Lord. We ask that our kids have good memories in this house, Lord. We ask that our kids grow and do all the things that we want them to do and be successful in this home, Lord. We ask for that you just continue to keep blessing us and give us the wisdom on what to do with all of our blessings, Lord, so that we may bless other people. And we ask that any evil or negativity spirits that may want to come into this home, any bad energies, Lord, we ask that you just cast it all out before you come in, Lord. And we just thank you for we thank you for being who you are, Lord. We thank you for just even giving us the talents and the supporters and the looks or whatever we need, Lord God, to have gotten here, Lord, because without you, we wouldn't even be here, Lord. We thank you for just bringing us together, Lord. I know it's a reason that we met, Lord God, came into each other's lives. And I just ask that you allow it to just not be for a season, Lord, but give us the tools to make it forever if we can, Lord. And we just thank you, God, for just being fortunate when there's so many other people that aren't. And we just ask that you bless those people as well. We ask that you bless our families, Lord, and just allow them to be happy for us. And don't let anyone try to come in break it apart, Lord God, or turn our happiness upside down. We just ask that any struggles that we do have in this house, that you help us through, Lord God. We ask for no break-ins, we ask for no natural disasters. We just ask that you continue to put a hedge of protection over this home, Lord God, even with no shades, even with no fence, Lord. We just ask that you be our protection, Lord. And just in Jesus' mighty name, we pray, we thank you, praise you, amen. That was good.
Amen, sis.
We about to leave, y'all. We had to say a prayer in his house and just, you know, bless it. The first day, our closing. I don't know if you want to show this part. Is this okay? Yeah. So yeah, y'all, we about to get out of here. We've been here all day. About to go home. And yeah, and go see our kids.
That's nice. And I'd like to thank y'all for my day ones and the new people. We love y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No squad. Take care, y'all. God bless.